Hey Sinead, it's Lee from Template Launcher. I'm really sorry you're having issues with this, but hopefully I've come up with a couple of solutions for you that I think could do the trick. So the issue is this page isn't going to scroll no matter how hard you try. It's built to fill the user's entire screen, and then not scroll beyond that. So that is why you run into that issue. You won't be able to get it to scroll no matter how hard you try. But I do have a couple solutions that I think could work. The first and the easiest solution is if you change this font size actually. So if you just let me let me show you. I'm going to resize the screen so you can see this a little better. What I'm doing. Okay, so if you highlight this and you come up here to size, you can actually just make it smaller. And actually let's go a little bigger than that. And so part of the problem with this is that you see these big spaces in between, but we can fix that. So really easy to change the font size, and then to change the height in between the lines, what you're going to do is you're going to right mouse click on this, and when you do this, use Google Chrome. Okay, right mouse click, and then click Inspect Element, and then this inspect the source code inspector pops up, and you can actually see the page's source code. And the one really cool thing about LeadPages, the way that their editor is built, is that you can actually style some of these things. You can actually change these styles and they will actually save. So as you can see, it has this span tag wrapped around it. This is font size 26. Well, we can, if you right click on that and you click edit as HTML, well, the property we want to change is the line height, and we'll want to change that to 26 pixels as well. Let's see what that looks like. Try this one more time. Let's try saving it and see if those changes take hold. Let's see. I'm going to refresh that. Okay, so those changes didn't take hold, and I know why. So they're wrapping this in this span tag. I think we need to wrap it in a div tag. So what I'm going to do is, once again, right mouse click, edit as HTML. We're going to wrap this in a div. We're going to add a style to it, and we're going to add, the style is going to be line height 26 pixels. And I'll put this code in the comment thread and discuss so you can see how to do that. Okay, so as you can see, like, it changed the line height, and you can change that height to whatever you want. Like if you want to try 22 to tighten it up, and then if we scroll down, so as you can see, like, you can fit all of the content without needing to scroll the page, and this will fit. The other solution, if you decide you do need that bigger font, I actually like this solution the best. I think it's the most simplistic and best looking. But what you could do is we could make this, I'm going to change this back to a bigger font. Don't know. Okay, I think it was that size. Okay, so here's the other solution. Okay, we're going to right mouse click again, and you're going to do Inspect Element. And then in the inspector, it's going to highlight this H1 tag that contains your content. We already have this div here, so I'm going to edit that as HTML. And we're going to change the style to say height 100 pixels, overflow, scroll. And so as you can see what this did, might need to make it a little higher because the bottom's getting cut off. And again, you can make this whatever size you want. I'm just testing this to show you. Okay, so what this did is it makes this height 120 pixels, but then anything bigger than that, it makes it scrollable. So you can have this big font, but you'd have to scroll down to see it. So I think these are two great solutions that I would go with the first one, make the font size smaller and changing the line height. But if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to let me know. And again, for these changes to take hold, all you need to do is click Save. So if I click Save, the page will reload. I'm going to reload the page. And as you can see, it saved it. It's pretty cool. You can do this with a lot of the different things on LeadPages. You can go in and edit it like that. Okay, so I'll drop that code and discuss, and let me know if you have any questions. Again, I think the best way to go would be making the font size smaller and changing the line height, or you could do this. Either way, I think it's a great solution. All right, Sinead, have a great day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.